All right, we are out here in Cecil County today looking at the model home in the brand new Seasons community by Richmond American Homes. You can see they got plenty of quick move-in homes that are going to be available. They got them all back there. They're building them and they are rocking and rolling back here. We're going to be going inside to talk to Matt. They got this whole cul-de-sac. All these are going to be quick move-ins ready to go. We're going to go inside and talk to Matt and see what they are offering here in terms of incentives, finishes, price points, you name it. I think you're going to be really excited to hear what the prices are back here. I know I couldn't believe it compared to down in Baltimore County what things are going for out here. So let's go in and we'll see Matt. There's Matt.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how
Welcome
we doing,
to Northwoods.
Northwoods.
Oh,
Northwoods.
Yeah.
I saw Seasons, and I thought it was Seasons, but it's called the Northwoods community.
Well, it's the Seasons at Northwoods.
Seasons at Northwoods. Okay. So what do we got here, man? I saw the prices. I was like, wow, I couldn't believe that compared to coming from Baltimore and Hartford County.
Oh, yeah.
Where things are just astronomical. You know?
We got good pricing now. It's like the 480 to 550 mark.
Wow.
5 different floor plans.
So you can get in here in the 400s?
Yes. And we have below market interest rates available too. Wow. So it's, even though our prices we have good prices at 480, but, we're competing resale at the like 300 level. Given our interest rates are so good, our monthly payments are right around there.
Wow, so, that's great.
We're definitely have some good options for people who are, looking for a, single family home.
Single family home at a townhouse price if you're looking at Hartford or Baltimore County.
Absolutely.
These are townhouse prices, man. I mean, I just sold one in Middle River for like $530,000. It was a townhouse.
Yep.
And you come out here and get like a fully decked out single family. So, all right, well, let's see what we got. This is the community map here. And let's see.
Yeah, you'll see a lot of blanks here.
So where are we right here with the model?
So this one might be easier to see.
Oh, this
is the model here.
Okay.
Now we have 3 different cul-de-sacs here. Poplar is done and ready to close by March. We got Plum that's going to be finished by the end of the month, and Catalpa April, May.
Yeah. So explain that a little bit. So you guys are what they call a spec builder, where you just build the homes out. And then, people come and they can buy them and settle a little more faster and quickly compared to regular new construction with other builders.
Yes.
Right?
So with spec homes, we have different options. Now, houses, some may have one feature versus one having another.
Right.
And you have options there, but it really helps with the time frame. With custom homes, it can take like a year or something like that. It takes a while. Now with quick move-ins, we can move people quickly as 30 days, sometimes a little bit quicker than that. So, given circumstances.
Now, how about people that they want to move, but they have a house to sell? Do you take contingent contracts?
Yep. Our builder definitely prides herself on helping with providing contingencies to sell, contingencies to close, and stuff like that. So that is definitely an option with us. Good. It just helps with that buyer confidence a little bit. So, you can definitely... have more confidence when you're buying, and it leads to more satisfaction. But
there's also programs out there people can do like bridge loans and stuff like that.
Yeah,
if they wanted to move in without selling their house first.
Yes, we do.
But you guys got your in-house finance people that can work with all kinds of stuff like that.
Yeah.
So that's good. And then any type of current incentives back here to try from right now, like money towards closing or anything like that? Or?
So right now, there's always stuff in the works. I think as of now, we're doing $5,000 in flex dollars.
Flex dollars, right?
You can use towards closing, or you can do that or a move-in package with the washer dryer, faux wood blinds, stuff like that.
Oh, that's nice. You can put blinds in the windows and stuff.
Yeah, and there's new incentives coming out. Again, the community just opened over the weekend.
Yeah, so I'm sure they'll be rolling out
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff for the grand opening, so to speak.
Yes.
There'll be some really good deals out here So you definitely want to come and check it out. But what we're going to do today is we're going to look through the model home, and this model is
This is the Lapis.
the Lapis model.
Yep, and this is a good in between one. We actually have two floor plans that are larger in square footage.
Okay.
So this is a good in between, but this is a very beautiful layout.
Okay.
So right now we're in the 2-car garage area that's converted into an office.
So we can do our sales contracts.
Yeah.
You're building how many homes back here again?
41.
41 homes.
And 5 floor plans.
5 different floor plans. That's great, man. Wow. All right. So got all the stuff all set up and ready to go. So let's go see what we got. All right. Got nice floors in here. Nice decorations. Now, one thing I wanted to ask you, because I know the models are all fully like tricked out and decorated and staged and everything. Do they get any kind of like a paint color on the wall in the spec homes, or is it just white?
It should be just white.
Just white?
Yeah.
So, but it's like a primer coat, right? So like, it's like they can paint over top of it if they want. Gotcha.
And it's a good idea with our warranty. We go back a few times after your purchase, actually 1 month, 6 months, and a year.
Right.
We'll go and freshen up like nail pops and stuff like that. So it's a good idea.
It's probably better not to paint right away.
Yeah. So wait for the house to settle.
Right.
Then you can paint it whatever color you want.
Gotcha.
Just makes the process a little easier.
Gotcha. So this is the kitchen.
Yep.
Got a nice breakfast island here that overhangs. You got 4 stools here, plenty of seating for that. It's a nice open floor plan. You got a huge walk-in closet in here with a pantry. That's man, this is like the size of my house pantry, and my house is pretty big. Sometimes I think I shouldn't even be there,
Yeah.
All right, so I love this kitchen though, how it just opens. So this is all completely open. So you have your dining space, and then you have your living space, and then you also have this. The model has a deck with a rooftop deck over top of, a roof over top of the deck. I mean, kind of overlooking that. This is that cul-de-sac back here that he was saying is going to be completed really soon, and being able to settle in like 30, 45 days or so.
Yes.
So we're going to have a bunch to choose from over there too. Okay, great. And
so then the glass here, this is standard across the seasons. So
are these doors are too, the double slide?
Yep.
This is like a new thing I'm starting to see, the double sliding glass doors.
Yeah, a little, kick out and unlock somehow. And then you'll get...
Yeah, kick that. And then they open. And then you get that double space.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
and double screens and all. So you get a lot of extra light in this way. You can also get a nice breeze in this way, from outside. This is great.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Man, it's cold today, though. We want to
close
that up. Really cold today. I don't know what happened. 9-foot ceilings on the first level. Lots of recessed lights in here I see, too.
Yep, and we got the 8-foot doors as well.
Now, in terms of finishes, I mean, is this pretty much what people are going to see, these kind of floors, the LVP floors?
Yes, yep.
And then, just basic finishes like this. You put some recessed lights and stuff in some of these spec homes, too. So that's the awesome thing about spec homes is you don't really have to pick a lot of the options because the builder usually puts the most popular options in. All right, so here's your powder room, and this is on the first level now. So remember, we came in through the garage, which is how you're probably going to enter your home if you use your garage for cars. But this is going to be the front door that you come through. So when you come into the front door, you're going to come in and you're going to have this living area here with this living room. And it's going to lead to your staircase, which is going to be kind of on the side view. So it's not like right in your face when you walk in, which kind of lets you have some extra square foot to use down here. So we're going to head upstairs now and take a look and see what we got on the upper level up here. So, and then we got nice carpet. All right, let's see. So we'll come up here. We got, looks like 2 bedrooms in here. So we got 1 bedroom here, and these are actually really Nice size
Oh
bedrooms.
yeah, they are. So this house is a 3-bedroom.
This is a 3-bedroom.
Yep.
Okay.
We go all the way up to 5 bedrooms.
All the way to 5. Okay.
Depending on the floor plan.
Gotcha. And then what's the price of, well, not the model, but like this floor plan?
We have one similar. Now instead of having a cover deck, it's uncovered. That one's in the 529,999 range.
529. Okay. All right. And then up here, so I know it's only a 3-bedroom, but you do have this loft area, which is nice. I'm starting to see this as a feature in a lot of the homes in the new home communities that I'm doing.
It's certainly nice to be upstairs and not necessarily in your room.
Right.
So it's a nice,
perfect
more
for
private, but communal area.
I always say this is like perfect for, the kids. You say go upstairs.
Oh yeah.
And then it's adult time downstairs, or vice versa. Or we're going to go upstairs. It's adult time, and the kids can have the lower level.
Oh yeah, whatever you want it to be. It could be a play area, library, whatever you want.
Oh, awesome. And then you got their 3rd-level laundry. Now tell me a little bit about this package you said. You had it was a washer dryer package and blinds or something like that?
So our models do not have the washer and dryer.
Right.
But you can select if you want a washer dryer and the faux wood blinds, we'll get that done for you. Or you can get the $5 in flex funds you can use towards like closing or buying down the rate. And then you could use that $5,000 you kind of save there to pick your own appliances. It just, depends on what you want.
Gotcha.
That's going out to the first few buyers. So.
Right, first few buyers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's definitely nice to think about to get those blinds, because that's an expense and a kind of a pain in the butt project to do too if you do it yourself, if you got all these windows. But this is the owner's suite here. So you got plenty of light, plenty of windows and space in here. And then we got the owner's full bath in here, which is dual sinks, dual vanities, nice fixtures, and plenty of nice stuff in here. And you got a huge bathroom with a separate toilet with a door on it. And then you got a big shower with seamless glass door, nice tile floor, and the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. So it makes it for a nice finish, and it's a nice watertight area so you don't get it all over the place. And then you got a huge walk-in closet. I think this is like a Richmond American thing, man, because your walk-in closets are so big. I think I got the Harrison, which is like the biggest house that you guys build, at least at the time you did in Harford County. And ours is set up like this over the garage, and it is a huge closet, man.
Yeah.
I mean, people come in and they can't believe how much space we have upstairs in the closets. But I've noticed that with Richmond American that they do a lot of space in the closets.
Oh yeah, it really helps with like the practical use of the home. Having, a lot of space to store stuff.
And I'm seeing more and more closets too. Now the walk-ins are accessible from the bathroom, and I think they're doing that. So if your spouse gets up early or whatever, they don't have to worry and bother the other spouse. They can go and get dressed and do everything in there and still have somebody sleeping, which is always nice to do. All right. And then now, how about in the specs? Are you finishing the basements in most of the specs?
These are all unfinished basements.
They're all going to be unfinished.
Yes.
Okay.
We do have pre-plumbing for, if you want to put in a bathroom.
Like a full bath.
Or a wet bar or whatever.
Okay.
I will say we do have nice lighting, so we have the egress windows and stuff like that. So it's a basement.
So this is unfinished too?
Yes.
Okay, great. So they can see what it's going to look like.
Yes.
With the unfinished basement here. So we'll go take a peek, and you'll see what you get. You get a basement that's ready to be finished, and it's all insulated. You can see the insulation all the way up. They have it pinned up against the foundation here, and then you got all this space down here.
Yep.
Looks like this has the network. A lot of them have those smart network things in here. So you got all your hookups for that. This, you can put a door here, do storage. You could do like a home gym over here, or make an office or something in here, or a theater room or something in here.
Yeah,
And
whatever you
then,
want. And it's like, you know, it's
yeah.
certainly not a scary basement.
No, and it's
There's
got an
plenty of
egress
lighting.
window,
Yeah.
so you know you could even make it a living area. You could make this another bedroom if you absolutely needed one down here.
Oh yeah.
You know, you could do that too. So there's a lot of options, you know, with this floor plan here. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing, and I mean, I honestly I can't believe for $529,000, this is what you get. I mean, it's worth it to come across that little, you know, bridge and come into Cecil County. And
oh yeah,
I mean, really, your buck goes a lot farther out here. And this community is really nice because it's kind of really tucked away around another community that's an older community. And it's kind of tucked back from that, and it's all got all these private cul-de-sacs and everything.
Oh yeah, and it has some forest conservation in here too.
That's nice too.
So a lot of the backyards, even though your property line will end, behind it you have a little bit of, you know, trees and stuff like that.
Right.
You know, so it's a nice nice area. Definitely focuses on privacy. That's for sure.
Perfect. Perfect. Well, all right. Well, if you guys like what you see, you know, give me a call, reach out, give me a text, send me an email, whatever, and tell me you're interested in this community in Cecil County. I'll put you in touch with Matt. You can set up your own private consultation and tour.
Absolutely.
You know, around his schedule. He's here pretty much most of the days during the week and on the weekends. So
Yep.
somebody will be here all the time, and just say, you know, I want to come here to see Matt, and then he'll take you on a tour, help you do your contracts, help you pick options if you still find a house that needs options done, depending on what your time frame is. And, you know, other than that, the only other question I had is for the real estate agents who are watching this video, what are you guys paying in terms of commission?
So right now it's 2.5% on the total price of the home.
2.5% on the total price of the home.
Yeah.
Which is solid.
Yes,
man.
and keep in mind, I'm doing the contract work. You know,
Right.
I do all the heavy lifting. So for realtors out there, it's really, you know, your job's easy in the sense that you bring me people over, and you know, I do all the contract work. I'm basically the center point and center of communication for all the processes going to close.
Right.
Now we'll work closely together, but it's a simple process, and I'll make your life easier.
Oh, and I know you will, man. And that's every agent likes new construction because, you know, they're getting a new home. If there's problems from an inspection or something, the builders fix the problems.
Oh yeah.
Everybody's happy. Everybody wins. Your customer gets something that's brand new, has a 1-year warranty that comes with it. You know, they come and fix nail pops. They do all that stuff. But, you know, and if you don't know if you should have an agent, you know, you can have an agent represent you, just so you know. So if you're coming back here, you want an agent to represent you, just all you got to do is give me a call, and I'll come on out here and meet you out here and meet with Matt.
Yeah,
and help you pick your options and finalize your site plan and, you know, pick the house that's right for you. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll keep you posted when the grand opening is. Take care. Have a good one.